the night away, I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in my dining room right now because I am packing. I just thought because I have so much stuff to pack from my office and then I'm coming up and down from my closet, it probably just makes sense to film here and it's nice and bright. But I am getting ready for New York. I leave tomorrow very early in the morning, so I thought I would do a pack with me or how I pack my travel case. They're having an awesome week so far. I love vlogging. I'm gonna do travel vlogs when I'm gone. And yeah, let's get packing. Happy Valentine's Day and happy launch day. I wanted to come on here quickly, do a little intro. Also got some really pretty roses from the girls in Ryan, so pretty. But we are officially launched as of right now. It has been a crazy morning. Mama got back late last night. Girls are both really, really sick, so it's going to be a long day for me. But I wanted to just spread the love on these beautiful new travel cases, and they really are an ultimate game changer when traveling, but you can also use them daily for your skincare, your makeup, your jewelry. They store everything and they're the perfect size. So I've got lots of clips showing you for my New York trip. We also go to Santa Monica soon, so I'll also be doing more content around them, but they are really a game changer. I'll also have a Valentine's Day coupon in my description. Make sure to click the link. You'll get 20% off today. So I hope you love them as much as I do. I love both colors. Honestly, if it were me, I'd buy both colors just because I am such, like, there's days I love pink, there's days I love beige, and they definitely both are, I find, the brand colors. So I hope you love them, but I wanted to just say happy Valentine's Day before I get into this vlog. Hey guys, welcome back. I am doing a vlog right now. I've got stuff all over my counter. I've got stuff all over my floor, and I am gonna start packing. And these are my favorite types of videos to watch, the pack with me videos. I have my makeup cases right here. Obviously filling these. I just went to Sephora yesterday and I spent a whole lot of money. Too much money, but I did get lots and lots of goodies. So I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul in today's video too and just sharing with you guys what I got. I wanted to get a bunch of new products too for New York. We leave tomorrow morning. And then I also got the girls a gift. My girls, me and Sophia, but also Chantel and Rhoda. I got them a New York charm with a bracelet. So I'll show you guys that after too. And what else? Yeah, we are packing clothes, we're packing stock, makeup, skincare, just everything, outfits that I plan on wearing for the trip, shoes and everything. So yeah, let's just roll right in. I honestly have so much fun filling these cases, you guys. Like, when you get them, I apologize in advance because you're going to want to get new makeup and fill them and just be OCD like I am and just like organizing your makeup all the time in here, and I keep switching things, and I'll put skincare on one side, makeup on the other, jewelry in here. So I love packing these so much, and they launch on Valentine's Day, so I'm getting really excited. I will have a launch video coming. They also come in these beautiful bags, which are so nice to put in your suitcase to make sure that they're secure and safe, and they're silk. I'm still in my comfy robe. Like, I'm gonna be in this all day because packing takes me so long. And I also have this travel case, so the beige. I am going to bring one of each, and then in my suitcases I'm bringing two, so I have a lot of stock I'm bringing. And I'll share with you guys what I'm packing, and I plan on doing a travel vlog when I'm out there too. I also have my airport outfit. I'm so happy I bought this. I love to be comfortable when I'm at the airport, and it's, I think, a 4.5-hour flight. It's direct, thank goodness. Also, I feel like less chance of them losing my bag if it's not a connected flight, so that's good. My makeup vanity is just filled with stuff. It always looks like this before I fly. Like, I just have stuff everywhere, but I like to lay it out in one area, so I'm like, okay, this is what I need. And I always buy like little minis, Listerine, deodorant. Oh, I'm not leaving without this. Oh, I also bought them, which you'll see when I talk about the Sephora goodies that I got, but I got them a new lip mask by Laneige. I got us all 3 of them because I think we'll be using that every day. Whenever I travel, my lips get so chapped. I also got these. Everything is Better in Pink, Grace and Stella. I got these off Amazon, but they are eye masks, collagen boosting And I love doing these in the morning. And then also I got makeup wipes. I'm not a fan, but they are easy to use when you're traveling. I do prefer like either a cleansing gel or an oil or a removing balm, but that's fine for just a trip. That's totally fine. And then also I have a little toothpaste. And all this stuff is just stuff that I got sent recently. I don't think I'm gonna bring anything like this. Ooh, what is this? We have a moisturizer. Another travel case back here, which I will be packing with you after. I just want to make sure I have everything out. I got the NYX Epic Ink Liner and then also the brow, micro brow pencil as well. The other thing I bought is another Glow Recipe Avocado cleanser. This is the most amazing stuff. I love it. It takes off your makeup and it just makes your skin feel so clean after, and it's lightweight. Best cleanser I've ever used. So I did have to buy a new one. I did get this scent from Glow Recipe, but I actually always buy their products too. This is also something I've been using a lot, the exfoliator, and I do it a few times a week and it just really transforms my skin. I have really oily skin, and it also helps with the T-zone and around the nose. I'd as well show you guys all the Sephora stuff first before I bring it all downstairs, because I'm trying to film downstairs for the portion of just showing you guys what's in my luggage. And I got this cleanser. I've been using this cleanser for 2 months now, and they sent me one, like I said, and it is the most amazing. Sorry, my camera was full, my battery. Okay, so this cleanser is also just amazing at removing your makeup, and then also it's just lightweight, makes your skin feel so clean. So this is what the bottle looks like, as I showed you before. So we've got that, and then is it Ilia? So I've been seeing so much of this brand everywhere, like on TikTok, so I wanted to try it out, and they have such nice products. I was swatching them in Sephora. I also got the foundation. Okay, like, oh my god, let's just dump everything out, because this is just... Yeah, alright. That's one long receipt. Okay. We're gonna go quick styles here. So I got the Take Off the Day makeup remover. I love this for my eyes. I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I'm gonna bring this on the trip, and I will pack my makeup case with you guys after so I can show you, because it's a perfect travel case. I got all us girls these lip masks right here. They are so cute though. I want to show them to you. So this is what the packaging looks like. Look how cute that is, and it has the little applicator that you take out right there. Look at that. Oh, I'm obsessed with lip balm, so I got that. And then I got this cream for the girls, actually, this Ever Eden. It's a baby line, but they have had eczema the last little while on their hands just from washing and so forth. But this is a relief treatment that I saw, and it's been working. I actually put it on them, but I put it back in here just to show you guys. Okay, so got a bunch of stuff from this brand. I got the foundation liquid light serum highlighter. So this is the foundation I got in 1.75. Hopefully it's my right shade. We'll see. And then I also got, that's like the prettiest highlight. Ooh. And I'll do a get ready with me in New York, which I thought would be fun too. Of course, my sunscreen from Glow Recipe. This is my favorite sunscreen. It's nice and lightweight. Smells really nice too. I got us girls lashes as well. So these ones were like the natural ones from Sephora. They looked really pretty. Okay, my favorite. Oh, this spray is like heaven in a bottle. It smells so good, so summery. I also got the Bum Bum cream, and then, is that the shower gel, I think? So, nice little travel set. I also got the highlighting powder right here. It's, or no, not highlight. Isn't it bronzer? Bronzer. Yeah. Oh, I love the packaging. So I got that color. It is Novelty. What else did I get? Rare Beauty. I don't know what this is. Oh, French side. Weightless eye primer. Rare Beauty. And then I wanted to try the Rare Beauty powder as well. I've heard good things about this. So I got this in light, translucent powder. And then we also have a Rare Beauty Fun liquid, or sorry, lip liner. What else do I have here? I think that's it. Oh, no, I lied. So this is the Rare Beauty Mist, which I want to try too. Let's put looks like. I love her packaging. It's so nice. Merit. I've been wanting to try this brand for a while. And they had these like cheek tints. Look at this. This is kind of more of a bronzer, but oh, so pretty. I can't wait to wear that. And it's so nice and smooth. I actually have to self-tan tonight, so that needs to happen. And then, yeah, that was basically $700 later. Sorry, I forgot one thing. I got this little brush here for your face. It's a dry brush from Sephora, so that will be nice too.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
Start off with the stock. I've got a lot of stock. This is like only half the stuff. And I've got lots of trio sponge sets. And I do have stock that's already there that I sent to New York like a while ago. But this is just extra stuff that I have. I've got baby doll, black lamp sets, trio sponges. I've got some brush stands right here that I bought from Amazon, mini backpack. And then this is really neat. This is actually, I'll show you, a foldable, portable folding vanity mirror with a light. And it's pink, it's light pink. This is actually very cute. This is what it looks like. Boom. So I'm gonna bring that and my ring light as well, which I have to go grab, as well go back upstairs. Literally how I get such a good workout in. It's just from going up and down the stairs. Since I have you guys upstairs, I'm gonna quickly show you what I got for the girls from Pandora. So let's show you. Ah! Oh my. So these are them right here. Look how cute they are. Look at that. So I got the rose gold and silver multi-tone one. And there's the Statue of Liberty, and I just thought that would be a really nice gift for a keepsake. These inserts that I got from Amazon a while ago, I will link them. I got the beige ones, but I am just organizing right now, so I'm gonna do all my comfy clothes in one and pajamas, which have this pink sweater, I have comfortable leggings, and then the tracksuit I'm gonna wear to the airport tomorrow. I'm gonna leave that out. Okay, so it is 7 now. I am having tea, finishing up packing right here. I had to bring out my scale because I just didn't want to go overweight. But what I think I might do too is vlog while I'm going there, and then I have my laptop that I'm bringing in my backpack. So I will add that into today's vlog. Then you guys can see a little bit of the travel portion too. But I did just want to pack everything because, like I said, packing can take all day, especially when I'm like really trying to get everything to fit perfectly. I got my bags right here. I've got lots of stock underneath. I've got lots of like clothes in here and this as well. I still have to pack those. And then these are going into my diaper bag. I knew these would come in handy. See, they are so multi-use. And we've got lots of brushes in there for the event. So, and then just endless stock, more clothes, tripod, brush stands, which, ow, I think these will be really nice. I haven't used these ones before. I used different ones in Miami, but I think these ones will be great for this type of event. Oh, Maxie always knows when I'm going. And yeah, so I'm all done that. I think I'm gonna get an early rest tonight because I have to get up at 4 in the morning. So I think I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll see you guys in the morning.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. Your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't got you, Chantal.
gonna leave off the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. I tried to get as much footage as I could from New York. I had a lot of fun editing that, but I hope you liked today's vlog. Also, again, thank you for all the support and all the love. I hope you guys get a travel case, and you can also use Steph20. That coupon code will work, or the BeMine20 if you're planning to get it today. So yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome, well, Valentine's Day, rest of your week, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better.